Today, we're going to go over how to customize or edit a product that you found on Zazzle. And we're going to go ahead and look at a coffee mug here. And let's go with this coffee mug. Okay. You found an image that you liked on a coffee mug, and now you want to edit it. You see some features that you'd like to change, and you want to go ahead and change that. And we're going to go ahead and click Edit. And then the first thing you wanted to change was the wording there, vintage Christmas streetcar in snow. We want to go ahead and change that maybe to a day Christmas shopping for the day. So we're going to go ahead and Christmas shopping for the day. Okay, so we got that changed. And we decided we want to change that font also. So we're going to click back there. We're going to change the font over to, let's see, we're going to click the font that it is right now. We're going to click, let's do the balloon bold. We got the balloon bold in there. And now we want to change the size, make it a little bit bigger, maybe a little easier to read. So we go ahead and click the font size, and we go up, 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 and we're going to give it a 30. Okay, now we want to make sure that's still centered there. Okay, so we're going to align the, 1 minute, format it. We want to format that, and now we're centered. Okay, if we want to change the image in any way, we can make it smaller. When you do change the images to smaller or bigger, you want to always push the shift button to keep the ratio uh, even. Then we'll click the shift button. We're going to go ahead and move it. And we put that there, and then we'll go up to this side. Okay, so we got the ratio, we got that, and we're going to move it out a little bit. Okay, now we want to take a look at the background. You want to change that background maybe. Okay, there's a few things that you can do with the background. You can change the color, and you could also take into a custom color. And a custom color would be taking the little marker there and moving it into somewhere in the picture. And we'll go ahead and do that. Move it into the picture somewhere. Come on. There we go. And we want to maybe make it. Okay. There. Make it a little bluish green. And then you decide, I like that, I think. Let me take a look at it on the preview, see how it looks on the mug. So we'll take and bring up the mug. It will go here and there. There. Okay, so you decide that you like that color. It's a pale color. It's not standing out real bold, but you like that color. Let's go ahead and finish up here, and we'll move over here to the next option. And now you have options where you can, let me click the back button again. I didn't do this. We want to click that image. We want to make sure we put that in the center again. There we go. Now we'll go to the next option. And we have choices there we can do. We can change the style of the mug. We can go to the classic mug, a little bit less expensive. We can do that. It has the white handle, the white inside. It's your basic mug. It brings the price down a little bit. Or you can take and do a jumbo mug. You can do several different types of mugs. So we'll leave it as a classic mug right now. And then also, do you want a larger mug, a smaller mug? You can choose the size there, increase the price a little bit. But we'll go ahead and keep that 11-ounce mug. Put it back there. And now you say you're ready to purchase that mug. Let's go ahead and look at the review, make sure everything is good. Okay, things that you want to review. Review the names, dates, and addresses for accuracy. Make sure the elements are clearly visible, not cut off, and ensure all placeholder content has been personalized. In some cases, a store may have placeholders for the personalization. What we did was just edit what was on the mug already. Check all the sides of your design. Make sure everything is covered. Make sure the background is correct, and then you're ready to buy it. And you go to click on, and then you would click Add to Cart, and you got that added to the cart, and you're ready to go view the cart and check out. I do want to thank you for viewing, and do come back soon because we will be adding some new videos. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye now.